Fundamental duties. Part A, Article 51A, not present in original constitution. Honorary Sardar Swaran Singh Committee, FD added 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act 1976. Fundamental duties A. To abide by the Constitution and respect its ideals and institutions, the national flag and the national anthem. B. To cherish and follow the noble ideals that inspired the national struggle for freedom. C. To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. D. To defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. Fundamental duties A. To promote harmony and the spirit of common brotherhood amongst all the people of India, transcending religious, linguistic and regional or sectional diversities, and to renounce practices derogatory to the dignity of women. B. To value and preserve the rich heritage of the country's composite culture. C. To protect and improve the natural environment including forests, lakes, rivers and wildlife, and to have compassion for living creatures. D. To develop scientific temper, humanism and the spirit of inquiry and reform. A. To safeguard public property and to abjure violence. F. To strive towards excellence in all spheres of individual and collective activity so that the nation constantly rises to higher levels of endeavor and achievement. G. To provide opportunities for education to his child or ward between the age of 6 and 14 years. This duty was added by the 86th Constitutional Amendment Act, 2002. Features of the fundamental duties. Moral duties, civic duties, Indian tradition, values. Fundamental duties are confined to citizens only and do not extend to foreigners. Non-justiciable. No direct enforcement by the courts. Criticism of fundamental duties, not exhaustive. Vague, ambiguous. Non-justiciable character. No penalty. Non-justiciable.